Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I'm going to take a real quick sip of tea, sorry. Sorry, my throat is still having some issues post, whoops, sorry, that bumped that, I apologize. And I actually didn't bump it for once, but oh well. What do you do, hardwood floors? I am in a literal no or low spend right now, and there are a couple of kits that I'm either starting with or continuing with, a couple of three, and Scarlet Line Planner Society is one of them. For what you get and what you pay, it is amazing what you get. So I've opened it, but I haven't looked in. Whoops, sorry guys. Now that I did. So it says, "Hello, Planner Society girl." For those of you who haven't seen this, and this has probably already been hauled many times over. I just was having a difficult week last week with health and whatnot. So, you know, I'm just getting to it. But the way this works is you reach out to them, you ask to hop in on the next subscription, and then they bring you in when there's room. So, I was on it for a long time before. What she was doing at that time, I liked a lot, but it wasn't benefiting me, and I wasn't using it. So, I'm not going to be able to save this sticker, I don't think. Let me see. Craft people are so funny, aren't we? We save the silliest things, but anyways, I don't think I'm going to be able, oh, I might be able to. Hey. Huh. Well, almost. Oh, I don't want to tear the bag. I love the bag. Alright, so let's see. But anyways, let's see here. But her stuff started changing. Oh my goodness. And I was really encouraged by it. So, alright, I'm going to put that there. Whoops. Oh, well, first thing I see is this Darling, the Planner Society. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's a zippered pouch. That is so, whoops, let me see. I may have to put a little soap on that. Candle wax or something to get it to open a little bit better. I'm not going to do that now, but I'll do it later. That is really pretty. I like that. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, look at the pen. Ooh, so beautiful. I love that. Kind of copper and pink. Oh, love that. I love rose gold, but truth be known, copper can kind of float my boat too. So, oh, and here's the beautiful washi. Oh, it has the copper, like little cross marks. So cute. Ooh, let's see. I love the clips. Let's see, how do we get into this, guys? There. Excuse me. I'm still not getting my throat. Oh, oh, they're little, like, ties. Oh, interesting. I think they come apart. I'm not sure. Excuse me. And then these copper clips. Those are so cute. Oh, I love the sticky notes. Let me see about this. Oh, yeah. So cute. Love that. Let me see here. Oh, the stamps. Urgent, email, priority goals, schedule, follow-up, start, Instagram. Love that. Absolutely love that. Okay, and let's see what's here. And here are the oh gosh, look at all this. Okay. Oh, first off, you know, I am going to use that. I always say that with these kinds of things. So, let me see here. That is so cute. Oh, I love this. I've been going through and redoing all those things. Oh, that's cute. Let me see here. Uh-oh. The hair comb. When I was young, in middle school, elementary school, flowers in the hair were a big deal. And my youngest did it for a long time. She doesn't do it much anymore, but she always had a flower on her hair or on her hat. That is so cute. More. Definitely, this is for February. Oh, I love that. That's pretty. Beautiful chandelier. Oh, I love this one. I like that one even better. Pretty. I do get hot water and have tea when I'm at Starbucks. And if I'm out and I don't have a tea bag, I have been known to drink hot water. because I'm always cold. Oh, I love that dressing table. That's pretty. Oh, so pretty. Oh, the flowers are so pretty. I hope you're not getting a glare. I'm getting a glare. I'm hoping you guys aren't. Love that. The cake stand with goodies on it. And the hairbrush and mirror and comb and flowers. Ooh, look at the robe. Love that. So I guess this theme is getting ready. I love that. All things girly. So pretty. And here are the journaling cards. Life is beautiful. They're white on the back. Shine bright. Yeah. Throw kindness around like confetti. I agree. I wish people in the world did this. It is, if you don't do this, do this. Please do that. She's fabulous, fierce, and loyal. Oh, love that. And Planner Girl. All right, now, let's see what's next. I've got all these. Let me put that there. Oh, looky there. I love the paper. I'll use that. And then there's a patch. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with those patches. I don't know if people are putting them in their, I don't know, in their photo albums or their planners, or I don't know what they're doing with them. I should probably, like, you know, Pinterest, YouTube that. Oh, I love the background for that. And then here's a bunch of stickers. Cute. Looks like there's 2 sets. Personal this week, YouTube projects, my list. Next week, Girl Boss, meal plan, follow-up, monthly, to buy, notes, work, must do, passwords, homework, calendar, weekly, school, daily. And this one says, wish list currently, fitness plan, goals, church, blog, family, Facebook, birthdays, Instagram, favorite, today, faith, budget, holidays, purchases, website, Etsy, finance, scheduled, community. Huh. And then here's all the beautiful page dividers, or, you know, however you want to use them, file dividers. Excuse me. Oh gosh, these are so pretty. And I think the rest are the same. Oh no. Excuse me. I was rushing it. Oh, so beautiful. Those will definitely be very much enjoyed. So that goes with all that. Alrighty. And then, let's see here. Oh, these are like, I think they're like faux doilies. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see here. I'll take all this out. Oh, look. These are printed on doilies. Oh, genius. Absolutely adore this. Look at that. I love that. Looks like there's 2 of each. And of course, I will use the back of that. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Okay, so we'll put that there. And, oh, look at this. I love that. And it comes with a little chain as well, but you know, I'll have that on my planner. Super cute. Let's see what's in here. And then we will look at the paper, which the paper's gorgeous this month, I can see already. Through all the goodies we've been looking at. Kind of saved that little thingy. Stickers! I always forget what's in this bag. Oh, goodness. Alright, so here we go. Oh, that's darling. They're so tiny. This would work in my mini planner. It's like this will fit in multiple different things that we have. You know, bigger planners, smaller planners, scrapbook, mixed media, the whole thing. I love this kit. It is fantastic. I mean, I can find a use for every little thing. Let me see if I can just cut this, because I painted my nails last night, which they needed it very badly. And this polish kind of has a funny buildup on it. So it's that Sally Hansen Fast Dry. I'm not patient enough to use the good polishes in the more nude colors, because they take so long to dry. But I will tell you, it did take time for this to dry. It took me a while. So, but I did such a buildup on it, whoops, sorry guys, that it's kind of funny. Okay, so here's the first one. And then, oh, I love that whitewashed. It is so pretty. And then the second, ooh, that's so pretty. And then there's the back to that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love this vellum. Look at that. I hope you're not getting too much of a glare. Let the glare be at me and hopefully it won't be to y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, and then here's some acetate. Oh my goodness. Hold on. I'm dropping things. Let me do this real quick. Okay, let's... Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous, that acetate? I love that. Oh, isn't that beautiful? And then the last paper is that. So, absolutely gorgeous kit. I am not let down any time I have gotten one of these kits as a, you know, in this new resubscription. I am very much loving all of it. She really is doing a great job in meeting so many different people's needs in these kits. And I'm not gonna lie, this helps me in lots of different projects that I'm working on these days. So I hope that this encourages you. I hope you can see it all. It's kind of hard. I'm not sure if this is in the frame, so I'll pull that down. Button that. Okay. And yeah. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you are using this kit in your planning, in your scrapbooking, in your mixed media, whatever you're doing, send me a picture. I'd love to see what y'all are doing with it. I am going to go on Pinterest and I am going to look for some ideas for all of this. I'm super excited to play. And yeah, so if you like it, again, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please join in and subscribe. We'd love to encourage you. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope your day's blessed, creative, and very, very lovely. And these are things that kind of help in those days. So, and help preserve our memories. So, all right, in our photo albums, things like that. So, all right. I will be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.